Hi there, it's Mike here from Harraway Cars, based down in Weston Mare. Thought I'd take a moment to walk around this 2015 65 reg Peugeot Expert 2 litre HDi wheelchair accessible vehicle we have with us for sale at the moment. This one's done 21,500 miles from new, so one owner vehicle, Ex Motability, so it comes with a full service history. Inside it has seating for 4 plus space for your wheelchair or mobility scooter. So 2 chairs in the front, 2 chairs in the rear. Also comes with an electric winch. That's what you can see there with the blue ribbon on it in the centre. Also has a spare wheel. So not many that have spare wheels these days. At the rear we've got a lightweight bifold ramp. So it's got a 350 kilo safe working load, so that should be plenty for most people's needs. Also comes with rear privacy glass. Helps keep the vehicle a little bit cooler, a little bit more private as well. As you can see, it's all lovely and clean and tidy, as you'd expect. So this one has got the 2 individual front seats. Many of these you look at will have 3 across the front. So in my opinion, the 2 seats are a lot better. Gives a better view out for the wheelchair passenger, so they're not looking at the back of the centre seat. So we'll just take you around, show you inside the driver's side. So there you go, 21,564 miles. Comes with a radio CD player. Also got air conditioning, traction control, 6-speed manual gearbox. Also has cruise control. Also has a speed limiter function on it as well. 2 keys. There's all your controls for your electric windows and your electric mirrors. Also has height adjustment for the driver's seat, so you can get that perfect driving position. Your 2 rear seats. See, there's plenty of room there for your passengers. So plenty of room in between as well for either the wheelchair passenger or your mobility scooter. So there you have it. If that's of interest, if you've got any more questions about the vehicle, then please do get in touch. Either give me a call or send me an email. Thanks for watching.